Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn methods on data types. So first method is lowercase. So first we are going to see the lowercase. What is a lowercase? So here I mentioned this a is equals to I assign a is equals to Python is fun. So I just write this Python is fun in a capital letter, right? So I just give this method that is lower and I just run this. It will giving me Python is a fun in a small letter means lower letter. So this is first method. Second method is upper. Uppercase is opposite to the lower case. So it will giving me a capital letters. C. I assign a is equals to small letters. Python is a fun, and with the help of upper method, it will giving me Python is a fun in a capital letter means upper letter. So these are the two upper and lower. Next is title. So basically title is what? Title is here upper is giving a whole sentence capital, right? And lower is giving whole sentence small. But the title is giving only first letter or only first word capital C. Here I is a small. So when I write this title, a dot title, it will giving me I in a capital. Next word is love. So from the love, L is small, right? But here it will give me capital. So this is the title method. Next is capitalized. So capitalized means it is not it is not similar to a title because title is giving I L P means it will giving me first letter is a capital and rest of the other is small, and capitalized means it capitalize only first letter. See, only first letter is what? I. So I is only capital and rest of the all is small. Always remember. Next is swap case. So swap case means what? It converts upper to lower and lower to uppercase. So when I swap case, a dot swap case, see, I love Python programming. Upper to lower, lower to upper. Here, a is equals to, see, here, a is equals to, here. A is equals to, I love Python programming in a small letter, in a lower letter. So it will convert lower to upper. See, it will convert it lower to upper. Next is replace. So replace is this method replaces substring with a old substring. So old substring means what? Here m I mention I assign m is equals to Python is vegetable. Okay. So Python is vegetable. Is it correct or not? Not. It's not correct. So Python is a programming language. I want Python is a programming language. So with the help of this replace method, I assign another variable that is m1 is equals to this m dot replace in a bracket. I collect this vegetable word here and just give another replacement of this word. So that's why he giving me Python is a programming language. If I'm not giving this, if I'm not giving this, what it happens? See, it will not giving me any kind of thing, any output. If I run this, name error. Why? Because here I assign m and here I write m1. That's why. If I run this, it will giving me output. Okay, Python is a vegetable, but it is not right, right? So that's why I assign one variable, another variable, that is m1 is equals to m dot, m is equals to m dot replace in bracket vegetable comma programming language. See, if I call this m1, see, it will giving me Python is a programming language. Means with the help of this replace method, it will giving me Python is a programming language. Next is count. So count is what? The method count the word or a character in the given string. So how many T's are there in M? How many T's are there? There are 1, 2. If I write how many, see, from the here, I love Python programming. So I mention here P. Okay. So I just write a dot count P. And when I run this, it will give me 0.